I do have my student Tamilmani, so he'll be explaining how to do that one in Facebook. Apart from that, you'll also post a requirement called as project engineer in Facebook. So what you see here is a title project engineer with 3 positions. 3 positions means the client needs 3 persons as project engineers. Location is Long Beach, California. Duration is long term, that is 6+ months. And learnhiring.com is working for a client. So learnhiring.com's responsibility is to hire the candidate for their client. Fine. So here learnhiring.com is going to get some incentive from that client. Fine. And visa term is any, tax terms W2. Okay. And the skills requirement are project management, safety, ASME, and ASME, right? So since they're talking about project management, at least we need a candidate who has got like 5 to 8 years of experience. Tamilmani, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kindly go to Facebook. Copy this requirement first.
Yes, copied, sir.
Go to Facebook. Okay. Now we are in Facebook now. Tamilmani has logged into Facebook, right? And here's the home page. You can see that one. This home button is highlighted here. Fine. Now, Tamilmani, click this see more button below. Yeah, scroll below. Scroll below. Below. Do you see somewhere like where to post a job? Okay, only you see jobs in groups, right? Yeah, click that job. Fine. So here on the right hand side, near to your thing, okay? Can you see that plus icon? Click that one. So what you see here, create a post, fine, story, room, page, add, group, event, marketplace listing, etc., etc. Fine. So let us start with creating a post. Fine. Click that post. Now, under Tamilmani, you see public. Click that one. So it says public, friends, friends except specific friends. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please select public now. Okay.
Okay.
Because our post has to go to fine. Now you copy the job description.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Paste it here. Okay. Now you can see the post button below, right?
Yes, sir.
You can click it. So finally what will happen? This requirement will go to different people. Fine. So
Yes.
what you can do on the top of your job posting, say hi. We need a project engineer for our client on the top. Yeah, click that enter button there. Yeah, scroll up. Yeah, hi. We need 3 project engineers. And copy the entire thing and click post. Okay, so that this post will reach many people, and if they're interested, they will submit their resume. Fine. So you can do one more thing. Okay, we need 3 project engineers. Please share your resume along with contact details. Yeah, type please share your resume along with contact details.
Can I post it now, sir?
Yeah, please. Okay, you know how to post this requirement, right? Now, on the left side, you see jobs, right? You see seeking, correct? There is a
Yes, sir.
arrow. Click that arrow and see what is there. So hiring, right? There are 2 options here. What do you understand from here? Seeking, what is hiring? Can you tell me the difference?
Seeking means we can search, we can
Okay,
find.
find what? Are you finding jobs or finding resumes? Seeking means
Uh,
seeking jobs. Very good. Hiring means we need resumes. Okay, just click that create job, fine, under that application and hiring. Okay, click that create job. Okay, you are doing this one under hiring applications create job, fine. So what you're trying to do, you have a project engineer requirement, you're trying to post this in Facebook. Is it understood, Tanumani?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, fine. So contact preference, right? Click that one. Yeah, click email. Fine. Okay, email. Just put anthony@learnhiring.com. Even though you are the owner of this one, fine. I'm requesting you to post my ID there. Anthony@learnhiring.com. Yeah, type the job title as project engineer. You can click senior project engineer. Fine. Type it as senior project engineer. Fine. Or you can do project engineering manager also. Fine. Whichever is come. But what we are going to do, see, there are multiple titles here: senior project engineer, senior project engineer, senior engineering project engineer, right? Lot of things are there. Fine. So let us leave it as senior project engineer now. Yeah, go to the next one. Business name is Learn Hiring LLC. Type it. Give some space between learn and hiring. Make H as the uppercase.
Yes, sir.
Type Long Beach, California. Long Beach, California. Type it. Always give a comma after city. Okay. Long Beach, California. Job type is full time. Job description, you copied something, right? Paste it here. Let it be full time. In job description, paste everything whatever you copied. No, you already copied, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, paste it, please. Yeah, fine. Scroll below. Minimum salary, say like 120,000. No, you need to say 120,000 followed by 3 zeros. No space. 120, 3 zeros. Maximum salary 130. Salary type, that is full time. So it is per year. So when you are available to start, correct?
Yes, sir.
Please scroll below. Yeah, so these are all preliminary questions, right? We can ask more questions there. It says that free text. When are you available to start? Correct? See more, right question, those are free text. Fine. On the right hand side, you see this preview, correct? Okay, see whether you have that option to post it. Scroll below. Okay, so you need to click that apply button, right?
Next one. Next button, sir.
No, apply. Go above. Yeah, click that apply button. Nothing is happening.
Yes, sir.
Click that save button and see.
Here, next.
I think it has been already posted. That's what it says. Correct? That's my assumption. See that one? Full time is
Update.
okay. Long Beach, California, posted today, right? It says posted today. So that means on the left hand side, when you created that one, correct? Salary type per
Yes.
year looks like it has been already posted. Fine. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, so you know like how to
Post a job.
submit a post and post a job, correct? Then what is the third thing? You need to find out how to search resumes for this one. Is that correct or not?
Yes, correct, sir.
Yeah. Go to the home page of Facebook. Yeah, click that one. Now, on the top left, you have search Facebook, right?
Yes.
Go there, just search for project engineer. Now click people. Okay, that is what we are searching. Okay, here you have so many things, right? You can, okay, people, fine. So select the city in which you are interested, fine. Yeah, put it as Long Beach, California. It says we didn't find results.
Yes.
Make sure everything okay. Try to do it from the beginning. Reset all the things. There is a button for reset. See, actually, on the right hand side gives engineer, right? But okay, instead of selecting people, if you click I, see what happens there.
Which one, sir?
Instead of people, select filters all. Okay, so you have groups. When scroll below. Now, don't forget about this search, okay? Usually, how do you search in Facebook? Tell me.
Sorry, sir. Come again.
How you will search in Facebook?
First with title, sir.
Okay, go there, search it.
And then we need people.
Okay.
So I'll click the people button.
Okay. But here only less people here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just search as Java developer, because Java developer may be more.
I'll go for people, sir.
Now select the city and see. Say like
California.
yeah. Type California. Okay, you don't find results here. Okay, from my view, it looks like it has got less profiles, right? But you understood what to do, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, see, first we started with post, and then we created a job, correct?
Yes.
And then we searched also, right? Then there is a section called groups. Okay, go to groups below. Yeah, click the group now. Fine. Now you can see Java developer. There is a group. Java
Yes.
coding, Java developers forum. Fine. So Java developer says that it's a public group, right? Now change this Java developer to project engineer. See whether there are any groups related to the project engineer. So you have project engineers, construction engineers, mechanical projects, electrical engineering projects, right?
Yes, sir.
So the first one is related with construction, only 478 members. The next one is 10K members, mechanical projects, correct? But the number
Yes.
of posts are less. Mechanical projects, correct? Okay, click that. See like whether any chemical related industries there. The third one is electrical engineering.
Can I click the C also?
Yeah, electrical engineering, all India civil construction, civil engineering projects. Try to find out when any chemical thing is there. Control F chemical. But you know what to do, right? Already I've told you this one in LinkedIn. So you need to search for groups. If they are closed groups, then you need to register yourself in that group, then post your requirement. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any questions?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So what did you learn so far? Okay. Can you explain now?
So I have learned how to post jobs, how to search resumes.
Then what is the final one? How to search groups.
Yes.
Fine. And the first one you saw was how to do a posting, correct?
Yes.
Now click one group and show me what is happening there. First of all, try to change this project engineer to Java developer. So there, lot of groups are there. From there, like we will
Yes.
try to learn something. Okay, Java developer. Now, Java developer, it says public group, right?
Yes,
Just
sir.
click the visit group. Public group means anyone can post it. Okay, that's what public group. Fine. Okay, create a public post, right? Click the public post, create a public post. Click that one. Okay, whatever you copied, paste it here. And click post now. What is the difference between the first posting that you did and the last posting that you did? Can you explain, Tharmani?
That first posting in the Facebook, it's not in any group. It's open. Now
Okay,
I have in a group called Java developers.
very good. Okay, you got the point. First time you did the posting, fine, and it would have gone to anyone, but here you're posting it in a particular group. So those people who are visiting Java developers group would be seeing your what is that posting. Understood? Got it, right?
Yes.
Fine. Okay, now you know like how to do the posting. Now go to this group. Fine. Go back. You can see private groups and public groups.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go there. Go back.
Here is the private group, sir.
So click that private group. You would come to know about the difference.
Private group, first we have to join in that group.
So you understood what is a private group and what is a public group now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So yeah, go to home page. Yeah, fine. So click that see more. Yeah, scroll below. Fine. You have a good understanding.